Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to submit quizzes on CHEM101 website. Many students have found it difficult to submit quiz due to Proctorio, so I will demonstrate how to submit the quizzes with the Proctorio enabled. At this point I'm assuming that you have already created your account on CHEM101, and if not, then I would suggest you to complete the CHEM101 registration process. Also, it is advised to use a Chrome browser on a computer. Cell phones, I'm not sure if Proctorio works on cell phone. So I will advise you to use a computer and use a Chrome browser. For this demonstration, I will use the practice quiz as an example, but the method is same, and you can submit, or you can take any other quiz with the same method. So first, what you need to do is you need to find the link for that quiz. So all quizzes are given in modules. So let's go to modules. So as I said, I'm going to use the practice quiz. So link for practice quiz is here. Excuse me, that's for Achieve. The CHEM101 practice quiz. So CHEM101 practice quiz is here. So I'm gonna use this for this demonstration. But if you are submitting quiz number 1, you can go ahead and click on this link. So let's go to the practice quiz. So if you have already completed the registration process, then once you click on the link, it will take you to your account. So for example, in this case, it will open my student account. This is a demonstration account. So let's click on the practice quiz. So right now it is showing that I am using Chrome browser, which is good, but I do not have the Proctorio browser extension. And it's asking me to download the extension. So please do not proceed for now. So let's download the extension to continue. So just click on this download, and it will open the Proctorio extension. Just click on add to Chrome. Just say add extension. Okay, you can close it after that, and then go back to your CHEM101. So now you see there are green check marks on both. So once both of these are green, then click yes. And it is giving you some advice before you begin. Right now it's telling me that I have a bunch of tabs open, which you can see that I do have a bunch of tabs open. And for Proctorio to continue, we need to close all. So either you can manually close, or you just click here. So once you click here, it will close all the tabs. Once all the tabs are closed, click continue. It's gonna go through some diagnostics, and for this diagnostic to proceed, you need to share your screen. So in order to share your screen, you click here in the middle. Once you click here in the middle, the share button will activate, and then click on share. In a couple of minutes, the diagnostics will be completed, and it's now telling you that exam is about to begin. If you have to use the restroom or get water or need to do anything else, just go ahead and do, because once you begin the exam, you cannot leave until you finish the exam. So click next, and then accept, and begin the quiz or exam. So as I said, I'm gonna use the practice quiz. So for this quiz, we have 10 minutes. So we have only 5 questions. So you can see the remaining time up here. So click on question number 1, Have you signed up CHEM101 and joined the course? Say yes, and then submit the answer. And once you submit the answer, let me move this toolbox here. Okay, and then you go back here. So you see there is a check mark here. That means that we have submitted this problem. Go to the next one. Have you read the syllabus? I'll say yes, I have, and submit. Okay, so problem number 2 done. So go back to the quiz. Okay, now we have completed 2 problems. Problem number 3 is how many chapters will be, or click on that, how many chapters will be covered in this course? Let's say 17, and submit your answer. If you want to retry for any, just click on retry. Let's say, oh, I think it's 16. So you can always change your answer and then submit. It's 17 by the way, and then let's go back. So we have completed 3 problems. Number 4, what is the percentage contribution of midterm exams towards the final grade? We know for fact it's 20%. So click on 20, submit. You're happy with your answer, then you go back, and then the next question. Students are expected to know, understand, and comply with their institution's policy concerning academic honesty, cheating, plagiarism while completing all assignment, quizzes, or exams. And then I'm gonna click I agree, submit, and then go back. So all the problems have been completed. The check mark indicates that we are done. And at this point, we still have 7.5 minutes remaining. If you want to change any of your answers, you can go back to that question and then you can attempt retry. In this case, there's no other option, but I'm just telling you that you have an option of retrying any of the problem. Once you are done and you don't want to retry any other problem, click on end early. It's gonna tell you, okay, once you end, you cannot go back and change your answers. I'm satisfied with all my answers, so I'm not gonna change, so I'm gonna select end early, and quiz and exam is over, and you can go back. It's gonna open all the tabs which it closed. And if you go to your quizzes, so you'll see that quiz has been completed. Okay, so similarly, you can submit any other quiz with Proctorio. I did not find any issue with it. If you follow all the instructions, there shouldn't be any problem.